Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the JBL Tune 770NC wireless headphones, and trust me, you'll want to watch this before you make any buying decisions. I've spent weeks researching and testing these headphones, and I found the absolute best price linked in the description below. So you clicked on this video to learn whether the JBL Tune 770NC headphones are worth your hard-earned money. We'll be evaluating everything from sound quality and noise cancellation to battery life and overall value. Let's dive right in and get started. The JBL Tune 770NC headphones are making waves in the audio market with their adaptive noise-canceling technology, and for good reason. These over-ear wireless headphones pack the renowned JBL pure bass sound that's powered some of the world's most famous music venues for decades. With Bluetooth 5.3 featuring LE audio support, you're getting cutting-edge wireless connectivity that delivers exceptional sound quality with minimal latency. What really sets these headphones apart is the adaptive noise canceling with smart ambient features. Whether you're trying to focus in a busy coffee shop or getting lost in your favorite playlist during your commute, the ANC adjusts automatically to your environment. Additionally, the ambient aware and talk-through modes accessible through the JBL Headphones app let you stay connected to your surroundings when needed, perfect for those quick conversations without removing your headphones. The technical specifications are impressive for headphones in this price range. You're getting 40mm dynamic drivers that deliver that signature JBL pure bass sound, up to 44 hours of battery life with ANC off, and a quick 5-minute charge gives you 3 hours of playback. The Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity ensures stable connections up to 33 feet away, and the multi-point connection feature lets you seamlessly switch between two devices. For audiophiles and casual listeners alike, the JBL Headphones app is a game-changer. You can customize your listening experience by choosing from preset EQ modes or creating your own EQ curve. Moreover, the app offers separate audio and video modes. The audio mode maximizes sound quality for music listening, while video mode ensures perfect synchronization between audio and visuals for movies and gaming. The build quality is remarkably solid, featuring soft ear cushions and an adjustable headband that makes extended listening sessions comfortable. The convenient buttons on the ear cup provide easy control over playback, volume, and calls. Furthermore, the voice-aware feature during calls lets you hear your own voice, preventing that awkward shouting that often happens with noise-canceling headphones. These headphones are ideal for students, remote workers, commuters, and anyone who values both sound quality and versatility. Gamers will particularly appreciate the low-latency video mode, while music producers and enthusiasts will love the customizable EQ options. The foldable design makes them perfect for travelers who need quality audio on the go. However, one notable downside some users may find is that the headphones can feel slightly heavy during extended wear, especially compared to some lighter alternatives in the market. At approximately 220 grams, they're not the lightest option available, which might be a consideration for those planning to wear them for 8+ hours daily. The outstanding battery life deserves special mention. With ANC on, you're getting up to 35 hours of playback, and with ANC off, that extends to an exceptional 44 hours. This means you can go nearly 2 days of regular use without needing to charge, making them perfect for long flights or road trips. You got it. So that's it for the best adaptive noise-canceling headphones on the market for this year. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, comment below if you're gonna buy them or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.